Hey, every time we at it's vegetable snacks or something, just let's go and enjoy the video. Let it go. Go. Not real. What am I doing watching this? Um, you starving now? That's an eventual snack or something. That's an eventual. Don't eat it. No, no. You didn't eating it. That's an eventual snack, bro. That's an eventual candy. Oh my god, what the hell? This is dangling. What is this? What is this? Don't eat. That's not this fake, dude. Why? You ruined everything. What was that, bro? What was doing thing? Don't ruin a snack. Okay, you just can't. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't eat it. Oh god. Oh, I can't eat these like that. Oh, why is it doing it? Oh my god, what is it? Okay, why eating that other snack? And you eating anything? Dolly Winslow Moffat. Yeah, this was good. I remember that. That's cool. Oh dear, no. Oh my god, why you have being that muffin? You ruin it! No! No! No, 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 oh my god. You ruin it. Oh, I don't like beans in the muffin. Oh, this is nasty, bro. This is nasty, bro. This is a nasty no-go, bro. No, 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 no. Why is we doing that? Oh, he's eating this with the beans. Why? Why? Why was he eating beans with something? Oh, God. Oh, my God. Why are we eating all the beans? No. Okay, why was doing that? Oh, this is pickle jar. Remember that original pickle jar with a Snicker logo? Don't. That's disgusting. No. Excuse me, boy. You're supposed to COVID-19. Oh, okay, that's original pickles. And you have, okay. What is, oh no. Really? Are you kidding me? Why have it at the inside of it? Don't do that. Why? You ruin everything. Everything, every time. That's not fair. Why? Don't be, don't be doing that, bruh. Don't be doing that. Why? Okay, that pickle jar and this candy bar with it. Oh my god. If they ain't eating it. Oh! No, man! Are you kidding me? Oh my. Okay, this is disgusting. That's disgusting, bro. Why want people with a candy bar? Oh, God. Ugh. And I gotta get to drink these. No, that's molded on it. But, oh, I'm not gonna be rewatch that. You have COVID. That's covering him out, bro. My goodness sake, bro. I'm out of here. Now, what am I doing? Ruining muffin with beans and tricks with hot dogs something or pickle with Snickers on it. You know, that's nasty. I don't know what's going on here. Make sure like, comment, and subscribe. And more video. Enjoy and peace, bro. Don't miss it. And see you soon.